Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy new update on Discord, how to search for videos on your PC. Let's jump right into it. First things first, go ahead and open the Discord app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your server or chat. Now that you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for the media. Whether it's a cozy group of friends or a bustling server full of activity, find the right spot where you think the video might be lurking. Once you're where you want to search, look at the top right of the page. There's a search bar waiting for you. Click on it, and you're ready for the next step. In the search bar, type #video without the quotes. This simple command will filter all the messages to only show you the ones that contain videos. It's like magic for finding that clip you just have to rewatch. Hit enter, and just like that, your search results will display all the videos shared in that chat or server. Scroll through the list, and you'll soon find the video you were looking for. It's quick, easy, and saves you tons of time scrolling through endless messages. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently search for videos on Discord using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy searching!